Hey guys, welcome back to Our Texas Homestead. Today we have another food product recall. Stater Brothers Market recalls chicken street taco kit because of possible health risk. February 10th, company announced San Bernardino, California. Stater Brothers Market voluntary recall 768 units of chicken street taco kit. Set through dates include February 10th, 24, Listeria. So, don't want it. This is what it looks like. Chicken Street Tacos UPC number 20 ounce. Sell through dates of February 10th, 2024. Doesn't mean it's not in your kitchen. Rizzo Lopez Foods. It's due to the cotija cheese, people. It's due to the cotija cheese. Um, that's what it looks like. Stater Brother Markets, Chicken Street Tacos, $13.99. Dang. That's a little pricey for that. I'll make you a recipe for some chicken street tacos. I mean, you like 10 times this amount and have a whole lot better food. Yeah, without listeria. So, catch you back next time on Our Texas Homestead. Be sure you like, subscribe, and share. You don't know who else may have this in their home or in their pantries. Help them out. Let them know. Give us a thumbs up. We'll see you back next time.